11. And let me just zoom this question a little bit here for you. Yes, now that's clearly visible. Now see, that also belongs to the same module, that is advanced math, and also belongs to the same topic, nonlinear functions. Okay, now see, here question number 11 is saying, for the function f of 0 is equals to 86. Okay, so this is the value of this function at x is equals to 0. Now further question is saying, for each increase in x by 1, the value of f of x will get decreased by 80%. Okay, so this is going to be the major key point here. So you have to remember this statement, that it is saying whenever you increase the value of x by 1, then the value of the function, that means the value of the function of x, will get decreased by 80%. So that's what is the meaning of this given statement. Okay, now in such scenario, the question is asking for the value of f of 2. That's what you have to find out. Okay, now see guys, if I have the value of f of 0 as 86, okay, now in the same fashion, can I find out the value of f of 1? You tell me, because see, the question is saying if I increase the value of x by 1, okay, the function value will get decreased by 80%. That means if the value of x becomes 1 instead of having 0, so can I say it would be f of 0 minus 80% of f of 0? You tell me, because see, that's what the meaning of this given statement, na? Okay, that I have increased the value of x by 1, so obviously the value of the function will get decreased by 80%. Okay, now see, if it is f of 0 minus 80% of f of 0, that means can't I say it would be 20% of f of 0? Can't I say so? Because see, if I have this f of 0, so let me just change the color of my pen. By default, that does mean what? It means 100% of f of 0. Is this mean same or not? See, f of 0 means what? 100% of f of 0. So from 100% we are reducing, we are subtracting 80%. So the final answer should be what? 20% of f of 0. Okay, now if I just calculate the 20% of f of 0, so can't I say it would be 20 upon 100 into, what is the value of f of 0? So it would be 86. So into 86. Okay, now just find out the value of f of 1. So just simplify that. So multiply 86 by 0.2. So if I do so, I'm going to have the value as 17.2. So this is going to be the value for my f of 1, the final value for my f of 1. Clear? So see, with the help of this value of f of 0, we have calculated the value of f of 1. Okay, now have a look on the question, what it is asking. It is asking for the value of f of 2. That means you have to apply the same thing one more time, but now with the help of the value of f of 1. Are you getting my point? Okay, now apply the same logic again for f of 2. So see, if I want to find f of 2, so it would be f of 1 minus 80% of f of 1 or not? You tell me. The same logic like we did in f of 0. Okay, now of course that is equals to what? So that is equals to 20% of f of 1. Okay, so let's just find out what is 20% of f of 1. So it would be 20 upon 100 into 17.2. Okay, now just calculate that, like what the result comes out. So 17.2 into 0.2. So the answer comes out as 3.44. So that has to be the final value of your f of 2. Okay, so that is how we can proceed for such kind of questions. So this is what is your answer. Okay, and because it's a grid data question, we don't have any option. So you must write down the option, the final answer here. Okay, you have to feed the answer. So this is what is your answer is 3.4. Clear? I hope this easy question number 11 is clear to everyone. It's just like the overall crux of the story is here in this statement. You just have to understand this statement clearly, and then only you can proceed. Clear? Okay, guys. So if